question po, ano po ba ang modeling agency, casting agency?
Okay, casting agency and model agency are just the same, no? They are suppliers of models to advertising agencies, to casting requirements. The job of a casting agency is to provide models.
Kumukuha ng models, kayo po ba yung naghahanap or sila mismo yung pumupunta rito?
Okay, with regards to models, we have walk-in models. And sometimes we do go out, we go fashion shows, we watch fashion shows, we go to bars, and we look for potential models.
Yung
Yeah.
casting.
Usually,
Sir, paano naman po, kaya may nakuha na pong talents from your agency? Magkano po yung commission na naman?
okay, the standard commission is 30%, no? From the gross. Let's say ang budget ng modelo is 100,000 for this commercial, we get 30%. So that is 30,000 pesos. So 70,000 goes to the model and 30,000 goes to the agency.
And how about voice talents?
Voice talents, right now, no, bihira na kami mag-present ng modelo for voice talents. Mainly because if they know that you have a good voice, they go directly to you. So sometimes hindi na sila dumadaan sa agency.
Nangyari po ba yun?
Kilala ko si ganyan, maganda boses nun, tawagan na lang natin siya. So
Pero
they don't pass through the agency, dinedirect na yung talent.
pagka ngayon po, may pumupunta pa rin naman po sa inyo. Paano po yun?
Pag gano'n, pag voice talent,
ito?
pinapakanta, tapos pinapabasa ng isang article, no? So, yun. Hindi lang voice, ha? We also have body talent.
Yung
We
mga
also
kamay
have
lang,
hand talent, leg talent, and hair talent.
Si Jen po,
Kasi gusto ko maging commercial model.
ano po kailangan niyang gawin?
Ano po yung first step?
Well, the first step is you go to a model agency, you choose a model agency. There are about 50 model agencies in Metro Manila. You go to a model agency and then just tell them, can I have a VTR?
Sino po na VTR, sir? What's next?
After the VTR, of course, kukunan ka ng pictures, no? Remember, this VTR is for TV commercials while pictures is for print.
After po nun, yun na, pagka may pumunta na po ditong advertising agent.
No, they don't go here. They just call us. We need I have a VTR. Can you give us a tape of your models, ages 18 to 24 years old, Filipina looking, blah blah blah. So us as agents or coordinators, we make a lineup of models who to be presented for that requirement. Okay, and then we send the tape to the advertising agency, and then the client reviews the tape. So kung sa tingin niya, kung sino yung sa tingin niya magka-qualify doon, ito, gusto ko to. But hindi pa tapos ang storya doon, no? We have what we call final casting. The difference between a final casting and a VTR, a final casting, may acting, no?
May script na sila.
May script na sila na ipapaarte yan dun sa modelo. Let's say, 10 yung naglalaban for the role. So, each one of them should act kung ano yung gusto ng client. And then from them, pipili na ng ano.
Can I have a VTR?
Yeah, sure. Everybody, as I said, everybody's welcome.
Parang gusto niyo pong palayasan.
Anybody can be a commercial model, regardless of your color, regardless of your height, regardless of your looks. Everybody can be a commercial model. It all depends on what product that you will be endorsing.